Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the batch programming using transaction. This is very important exercise for you all to learn Java for advanced stuff. Okay, so here this is a simple form I have created, right? Account to account transaction, right? Account to account transaction, right? You have a account. This is your account. You have to transfer your amount to your friend's account or someone account, right? How to transfer the money into one account to another in this tutorial will help you to learn, right? So let me execute the program and see. This is a batch programming, right? It's a batch program. I already created the account transaction in my previous tutorial, but this is different one because this is the batch programming, right? So let's look at the concept of database. This is the account ID, right? This is the account ID. Okay, this is the account ID, right? This is the account ID, this A002, this is the balance, this is A003, right? I'm going to transfer the amount to A00, transferring from A002 to A003, right? So I'm starting from right. So I'm going to starting from A003 to click the balance. This is your balance, right? A003. This is the balance we have. We have balance, right? Right. This is one, right? Now already here. Not refresh it. Right. This is the balance there, right? So I'm going to transfer the amount. So let's see transfer as A002. We have this balance. So we have to transfer the amount to A003. A003. Right. Okay. Now what is the amount you are transferring? I am transferring 5,000 to that particular account. Click transfer button. Amount transferred. Now let's refresh it and see the balance and all. Here it is reduced for 5,000. It will be earlier you see the balance 2,000. Now I added to the 5,000. Now the altogether 7,000 will be your total, right? So now let's back to our account to account table, account to account transaction table. Let's refresh it. Not this is a deposit table, right? Account to account transaction here, this one, transfer table, right? You can notice that we are starting amount from A002 to A0003. What is the amount we are transfer? 5,000. This is how we have to do the program, right? We have a transfer table. It has a column ID. This is a from account, this is a to account. Which account to which account, right? The from account, this is to account order, right? This is what is the amount you are transferring. That's the thing you have to do. Once you transfer the amount, what happens is it goes to the account table. You have to reduce the particular account holder's balance, right? This balance A002. This is the person who transferred the balance to A003. So it will be reduced as 5,000 here. At the same time. And 5,000 will be added into the credited into the this A003 account holder, right? This is the operation is done. Okay. So how to this program? So let's back to my NetBeans. I already done the user interface. I don't want to teach all the how to create this all the stuff, right? Okay. This because I already done many tutorials about the UI design of how to do all the tasks, right? We no need to tell again by again, right? So here each text box we'll name it. Okay, this one we name it F account number. F account number and from account number. This is a balance, txt bal, txt to ANNOME. This is a to account number. This is a amount. What's the amount we are going to transfer? Txt amount, right? Now first what I did here is this find button. Once you enter the account number here, click find button. The relevant account holder balance should be displayed below, right? So click on the button find button, event action perform. Now here, what is the account number you entered here? Click find button. What happens is what is the amount you entered here? It assigns the variable account number. After that, this is the driver you are registered, MySQL driver. So before that, in order to connect, this is your database. This is your database. Okay. In order to connect MySQL and Java, you have to download the appropriate connector, MySQL connector, right? How to download the MySQL connector, all the stuff I attached the video. If you have not watched my previous video, I attached the video tutorial below of the complete banking system below. You just click on that particular link and you will be able to watch the completed banking process video, right? So here, after added into the library, you will be able to see you have first registered the MySQL driver. After that, add the database location. Your database reside on where? Localhost. You will be able to see localhost. What's the name of your database? Sandbank, right? This is a user credential, right? When you are install the XAMPP server in your machine, the root is a username, password is blank, right? This is a default. Okay. If you want, you will be able to change it, right? After that, here I am going to check the balance. Select balance from customer table. Here customer table. You have to select right here, right? Account where customer.id. Here we have to merge two tables in order to check the balance, right? Check the balance. Account holder customer ID, account number. We have two tables. Customer table we have a cust ID. The same cust ID into the account ID. Okay, this is the table. We have two table. We have match and get the account ID over here, right? So here, okay. This all the stuff how to do all the stuff I have already attached the video in my video description. You can be able to download, right? Okay, this is not our concept. Only we have a concept is how to transfer the balance into one account to another, right? So this is how we have to pick up the account holder ID, right? This is all the code I will provide in my tutors funny website. Don't worry. See, click fine. Account should be displayed over here, right? So this is the stuff here. After that, after give all the stuff, after you balance should be displayed. Here you enter the particular account holder ID to transfer the balance. Here you enter the balance ID. After that, click transfer button. What happens is here will be see. This is the thing we have to do, right? So this is the batch programming. First, what I did here is this is a if account number get text. What is the meaning of this? Is the if number mean this is the text box name. If account number is a balance. This is the what's the text box to account number. This is a txt back. That is the account numbers, right? So here what I did here is these are all the text fields we have to assign to the variables, right? Okay, what you type on this text box, it's assigned this variable, this balance, this amount, this, right? After that, we register the MySQL driver, all the stuff. First, you have to write the con.set auto commit false mean this is must, right? Because these three operations are successfully done. Only we have to get the message as commit, connection commit. Otherwise, it will be rolled back. So that we have to put it here. Okay. That's why we have to put it auto commit false, right? So first you have to write in a statement st1 create statement. We have created the three queries, right? So first we have to create the variable string sql1 update query account set balance equal. When you here imagine if you are enter the account holder number 3, what's the amount you are sending ID is this amount you are putting 3000. Click transfer button. What happens is this account holder amount will be decrement. At the same time, this account holder amount will be increment. So here I have write update set balance minus mean it will decrement decrement amount. What's the amount you enter on the text field, it will be put it here, your total here. Where account ID if number mean what's the, this one should be the text box. This account holder balance should be reduced, right? This should be reduced. This one should be increment. So decrement and increment process, right? At the same time, this amount balance plus mean what's the account holder amount, what's the amount you are entered here. Where account holder ID to account mean this is the text box, right? To order text box. This account number, it will be incremented by 3000, incremented by what's the amount you are sending, 3000 incremented. At the same time, this account incremented should be decremented by 3000, and that's stuff here. It will be done the process, right? So after that, at the bank, how to know which transferring the amount, which account to another. So you have a history. You have to create the history of this one. So you have to insert into transfer table. Transfer table, I have created the transfer table here. That's a transfer table. This is transfer table from account to account amount, right? So you have to specify the column over here. So here the first amount, this one should be the what's the account number you are entered here, what's the two account number, what's the amount transfer. Only the stuff we needed for transfer. Easily they find which account balance amount should be transferred the person, right? This is three process in order to do the bank, right? Very simple. In order to use the batch, very simple code. You have to insert writing the batch code. Okay. After that, here the batch. This is a batch works, right? I have created the statement object st1 it is a predefined function add batch. We are calling to first query. After that, call the second query and third query. All the query are working on this statement object, right? This is called as batch. At the process will be work. After that, we have to create the integer array status. This statement, the batch object dot execute batch mean this all the batch, the three queries will be execute once. Okay, it will be three query will be execute once instead of you have to write execute.wait, execute.wait, it will be executed as once. It's very simple. After that, we have to write simple probe, the status length plus, right? It will be working like this. So yeah, after all the operations are done, we have to create this. We have to here these three queries are work successfully. After that, we have to display the message as amount transferred, right? After amount transferred successfully, we have cleared all the text fields, right? That's the thing. This connection commit. Okay, if there is problem, connection rollback. Okay, that's the thing. Here I have explained. Very simple. Okay, very simple process. You don't worry about this all source code I provide in my tutorsony.com website. You will be able to download and use it. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.